Some cars don't shout for attention. They quietly make you feel powerful the moment you sit inside. And the upcoming BMW M760i is exactly that kind of machine. The kind that doesn't need to prove anything because its presence already says it all. This is the car for people who've reached a point where comfort matters just as much as speed, where luxury isn't optional, and where every drive should feel special, no matter how short or long it is. BMW is preparing to bring the M760i back as its ultimate luxury performance sedan, and from everything we're hearing, it's shaping up to be a serious statement. Just one look at it and you can expect a bold, confident design with a wide stance, an aggressive front look, sleek lighting, and clean body lines that make it feel modern yet timeless. It's not flashy in a cheap way, it's classy with an edge. Under the hood, the M760i is expected to come with a powerful V8 engine that delivers smooth but explosive performance. The kind that pushes you back into your seat without drama, paired with BMW's intelligent all-wheel drive system for strong grip and total confidence. This car isn't about racing lights, it's about effortless power whenever you need it. Even though it's a luxury sedan, BMW is giving it smart driving technology that helps on rough roads, uneven surfaces, rain and snow, with adaptive suspension and traction systems that keep the ride stable and comfortable no matter the conditions. It's built for long highway runs, city streets, and even less than perfect roads without making you feel tired or stressed behind the wheel. This is luxury that works in real life, not just on paper, and that's what makes the M760i so exciting. Step inside the BMW M760i, and this is where things truly change, because the cabin feels more like a private first-class lounge than a car, designed for people who appreciate silence, comfort, and attention to detail. Expect premium leather seats with deep cushioning, beautiful stitching, soft-touch materials everywhere, and ambient lighting that completely changes the mood at night. The dashboard will be dominated by large digital displays that are clear, smooth, and easy to use without feeling overwhelming or complicated. BMW is focusing heavily on comfort this time, especially for long drives, with advanced seat adjustments, heating, cooling, massage features, and a ride quality that feels calm even at high speeds. Rear seat passengers won't feel left out either, with extra legroom, optional luxury features, and a quiet cabin that blocks out road noise completely. This sound system is expected to be top tier, turning the interior into a rolling concert hall, while advanced driver assistance features help reduce fatigue on highways and traffic. Everything inside the M760i is designed to make driving feel effortless, from the steering feel to the smooth acceleration to how naturally the car responds to your inputs. And this is where the emotional side kicks in, because this car isn't just about getting somewhere, it's about how it makes you feel while doing it, calm, confident, and in control. As for pricing, the BMW M760i is expected to start around $130,000, with higher trims and options pushing it further up, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury performance category. It's not cheap, but it's not trying to be, because this car is built for those who want the best of everything in one package. And before we go further, let me quickly introduce the channel. This is Friends Motors, where we talk about luxury cars, high-performance machines, and upcoming models in a simple, honest, enthusiast way. No boring talk, just real passion for cars. So if this kind of content excites you, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. What really makes the BMW M760i stand out is how well it balances its personality. Because it doesn't force you to choose between comfort and power, it delivers both without compromise. One moment it feels calm, smooth, and relaxed, perfect for daily driving or long road trips, and the next moment it transforms into a serious performance machine with instant response and deep power on demand. BMW's focus here is confidence. Whether you're driving through the city, cruising at high speed, or dealing with challenging road conditions, the M760i is built to make everything feel controlled and easy. The intelligent drive systems constantly adapt to the road, keeping the car planted and stable, while the suspension absorbs bumps without ruining the luxury feel. This is the kind of car that makes long journeys enjoyable instead of exhausting, and that's something many performance cars forget. The M760i is not about being loud or aggressive all the time. It's about quiet dominance, knowing you have serious power under your foot whenever you want it. For business owners, executives, or car lovers who want something refined but exciting, this car fits perfectly. It's a statement without being arrogant, fast without being uncomfortable, and luxurious without feeling boring. BMW clearly wants the M760i to sit at the very top of its lineup, offering an experience that feels complete in every way. And as we wait for its official launch and full details, one thing is already clear. The BMW M760i is shaping up to be more than just a car. It's an experience built for people who value performance, comfort, and emotion all at once. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to stay tuned to Friends Motors, because we'll be covering more luxury cars, upcoming launches, and exciting automotive stories very soon, and I'll see you in the next one.